Dowsing is an art and a skill that can be learned by anyone of almost any age to find hidden information to make better decisions for yourself and your loved ones. Please use all this information at your own risk. Thank you. Hey there, this video is going to talk about how to find and release energy ceilings that are affecting what you want to make a reality in your life. It could be health, wealth, weight, exercise endurance, of course, income, relationships, anything like that. I just recently found out about this information. I did it for myself and whoo, things really have changed. This could also be for emotions you might be feeling. This is Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert, energy worker, and master dowser. And energy, we're all made of energy. Everything's connected energetically. But our subconscious mind likes to keep us safe in our comfort zone by creating these energetic ceilings. Like if I'm too happy, then something bad's going to happen. And that's usually based on when you were really happy and enjoying your life. Maybe a family member died, or a precious animal friend, or you lost a job. Something traumatic happened. So your subconscious mind can create these ceilings where I can't be any happier than this, I can't be any skinnier than this, or something terrible is going to happen like it did 10, 20, 30 years ago even. What you should do to begin this exercise is think of one part of your life where you just haven't been able to achieve the results you wanted. You could be trying weeks or months and you just get to a certain point, even income. You make a certain amount of money, you got your savings account going well and everything's going great, and then kablam, the car breaks down, or you got household repairs, or whatever it happens to be. That generally indicates that you have a ceiling. So think of that one part of your life where you happen to be stuck. And think in the past about what has happened when you were maybe at your target weight, your target income, you were at a point in your life, or maybe you've never been there. But if there anything traumatic happened around the time that might have prevented or created this ceiling, prevented you achieving what you wanted, think about that real quickly as well. Whatever comes to mind, just write it down really quickly. And we're going to clear it out by clearing the governing vessel meridian. This is TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, doing energy work. They usually use needles or acupressure. We're just going to use the power of our hands now. The governing vessel meridian runs from the bottom of the torso all the way up the spine, ends up here. And it pretty much is in charge of many of the other meridians. And when you clear emotions while you're repeating clearing statements, by going like this, or crumbling motion, or if you have limited mobility in your shoulders, just tap here on the end points of the governing vessel meridian. You should feel a big old energy shift. So you ready to get started? Let's do it. Now, use this information at your own risk because you may feel some huge shifts, and any emotions that come up, sadness, sorrow, if you feel like crying, cry. Just let it all out and clear it out. So look at the first thing on your list that you want to clear out, and I'm just going to do a generic clearing for whatever it happens to be, so you just follow along, please. I now let go of this energy ceiling. I blast through it that's limiting my energy about my income, my health, my relationships, my joy, my happiness, my love, ability to love myself. Any and all ceilings that I feel limited, like I get to a certain point and I just can't get any higher, I can't get any better, I can't achieve any better results. I choose to let this go, and I let go of all the fears in the subconscious mind and the conscious mind that created this now. I choose to not only extend any ceilings that have been created that I keep bumping up against. I extend them up to 100% freedom. I break through them now. And I let the love flow, the peace flow, the prosperity flow, the incredible well-being flow on every level, every dimension, the relationships. All of this is just going above and beyond now. I'm also clearing any and all fears that it's not safe to be an unlimited being. I let go of all fears. That when I feel unlimited, unstoppable, empowered, something bad happens, or I'm attacked. I let go of all these fears now, all the way back to childhood, anytime I might have been bullied, or people criticized me for my talents and skills, and so I shut down my artistic talents and skills, or I limited them to be just as bad as people said that they were. I let all this go now. And I choose extreme health, wealth, prosperity, unlimited, empowered life and living, and so it is. Now you probably noticed that I not only cleared things out with this motion, but you can also instill affirmations, which are far more powerful when you're putting them into your energy system instead of repeating them over and over again. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like. Subscribe to my videos. You only get about 2 a month. I'm not going to bug you or anything. And if you can leave a comment, I would absolutely adore that. I love comments. I love information that you guys felt during the video. And check out my website. Tons of free videos, ebooks, audios, all kinds of information, articles for you, for your family, and especially for your animal friends, for all you fellow animal lovers out there, and caregivers, and people who just have fear in general. You can clear out the fear. Don't ignore it. Don't pretend it isn't there. Don't focus on something else. Let it go. And you're going to feel so great in your life, just full of joy and energy, peace, and self-love, and you deserve that. Thanks again for watching. Peace out. Namaste. Go to emorescue.com, subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter, and get the first 10 chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book, free and fast. There's also links to all of my Amazon books on the home page as well.